So when people come into the clarity process, I want them to understand what's going to happen. I want to demystify this for you. So there's really only three places to go. And one place is that things will probably stay the same, but they have to feel better. So there's all different kinds of reasons why we stay in relationships, whether we have kids or not. There's reasons that we're connected and attached to each other and have a domestic scene that we really feel comfortable with, right? That's some of the reasoning. Extended family that we love, a friendship circle, but we don't want it to change so drastically that our whole world is upset. But we have to figure out how to get along better if we're going to stay in this space of not really changing that much of the pattern. We have to make it more civil. Secondly, sometimes people just don't know how to get from the chronic pattern or the chronic cycle of upset or conflict back to connection. And so that's another place to work. What kind of dynamic shift do we need to make so we can go back to the relationship, to the place where we felt more connected? This is another place, direction that I go in the clarity package. And then thirdly, what if we're at the end of the road that people or one person just doesn't want to be in the relationship anymore? Then we have to thoughtfully start working on unraveling the relationship. And since long-term relationships are multi-layered, we have to do this carefully and thoughtfully. And so this is a place where we can start creating a strategy and plan for that. So some families or couples with families, they identify where they are and then they start working on their situation from that point of view with clarity.